Doing some work at a hotel, and just in the portable bar chiller unit thing where I keep all the beverages and stuff. We've got quite a selection of beers. I've got my favourite too, San Miguel. But anyway, digressing a little bit. Testing the AC system for the cooling system, as it were, and the fan on the evaporator, or the condenser, or the radiator in here, sounds very unhappy. And I say very unhappy. If you have a look, this switch turns it all on and off, and the evaporator's outside, and this is obviously the condenser. Really big fan, and it's a Cellar King. Anyone was wondering? Switch her on, and listen to how bad this thing sounds. This has got shot bearings galore. Good Lord, Batman. That is bad. That sounds really bad. Cool. I think one of the bearings is non-existent, I think. Horrendous. Right, I'll turn it back on to how it should be. One way in and one way out. And if I left that outside, someone would have locked it. So, let's go. It's actually shaking. Oh, that'll do. Let's get out of here.